In my previous video, I just downloaded one template from bootstrapmade.com. So they are providing some free templates. Exactly. So I I took one of the free template from here. So start demo 9 stars. So 9 stars is the template that I took in my previous video. So if you click here, free download, and you can download that. Then you can extract, and after the extraction you can see your web page like this. So in this video we are going to edit the website, the web template that I downloaded from that website, and also how we will customize that. So if after the extraction, you can see that there are couple of pages. One is index.html that we already took that one, and there is one inner page .html. So just a page with the subscribe button, join our newsletter. So that's the details on that one, and portfolio details. This is a good page. Basically, after clicking from the home page, usually we are going to this one, and you can customize this one also. So first we will customize the index page, then we will go to the further deep down, maybe inner pages. So I am going to take this. So basically we can use so many things. So I am going to use here Visual Studio Code, right? So there are a couple of ways we can customize this. You can use Visual Studio Code or some editors like Notepad++ if you are in a Windows system, or some other Notepad like system. Even if Notepad, you can try. Other than that, you can use something like Visual Studio Code, or something else like webstorm or something. So webstorm you can customize very broadly compared to Visual Studio Code or some other free IDs. So I didn't have any webstorm license, so I'm going to take this one, Visual Studio Code. So I have two versions of Visual Studio Code, but currently I need only one. So index.html, and I'm just going to change this one. So my company. Okay, so that's my website name, and here I'm going to make some changes. Okay, that's fine. This is the only thing that I'm going to do here, and right now I need to check what happened to my website right now. So here 9 stars, my company, and I can customize this one also. So right now I don't want to do that much. So basically I will do some of the things here. So if I need to change something like products, services, portfolio, team, drop down, contact. So there is a contact page, so it's also included in the index HTML itself, so I can easily change from here itself. So you can search here. So in Visual Studio Code, Command Shift F, you can go to the particular page. So we are focusing on contact, right? So we will go to the contact page. So here is contact.html. So this is for, so basically you can search the particular text here, location. So I am here, so I need to change the location into something else, some address or something. I will keep the city in the same place, some address. Okay, some address New York, that will be fine. So we are done with that part. And here I'm going to take the sum address. Okay, so that's the way we can customize, and we can customize div, HTML, add some p tags or something else. Everything we can do, right? And also if you need to bold something, that also we can do. And also if you need to customize your CSS styles, that's in assets page. There is a CSS, and I will open that also with Visual Studio Code. So here I can customize that's also I can change top, right, bottom, everything. So basic knowledge of CSS, Bootstrap, HTML is fine to launch a website in your cloud platform. So the thing is like, if I have a company website and I have a company, usually people are not that much aware of technologies, so it is very easy to going through this one. If you need to launch a website for your company or something, it's very easy actually. So I will teach from end to end, right? So first you will go to this website. I am not asking to the specific website. Wherever you are getting the free website template, then you download that website. Then you need to do the remaining steps the same way. Extract the website and customize something. And if you don't need to customize anything, if you need to customize the content area, just check for content tags and make modification. So it's very easy actually, anyone can do that. So that's all for today, and tomorrow probably we will go after the customization, how we will host that website. Thank you for watching.